What is it? This is like so scary through the thing.
You think it's scary?
Like through the phone, it looks crazy.
Oh.
Look at this crew oxygen mask. God, this thing is heavy.
I went to a haunted house on at the calf.
That's freaking heavy. I'm gonna go up front and look at the
Okay.
cockpit. Blurred out. Did he leave?
Yeah.
It's like stripped down in here. Here's where the flight attendants hang out. This is where you would normally enter. This is going down the aisle. Some of the seats have been stripped out. You can see the oxygen masks fell when the plane crashed.
There's still fire extinguishers.
Yeah, there's still fire. Dun dun dun. There is. Overhead compartments have fallen. What is that? Ooh, I don't want to touch that. What does that do? Oh, it like accesses the top. I like how I say I don't want to touch that, and then I do it anyways. Oxygen mask. Seats are all crazy. Yeah, I'm coming. Don't leave me up here by myself. Oh God, I'm kidding. More planes gone. The door is ripped open.
It's weird, like the random stuff that they left.
There's like a food tray or something. What is? Ooh, what is that? Look at it.
Someone's lunch.
Yeah, it's like the in-flight meal. It's all.
People hang out up here.
I don't know. I hope not. It'd be scary. More. Another place where the. What is that? It's like a access to wires or whatever. I don't know. Ah, dun dun dun. Where more oxygen things
Ooh,
went.
we didn't open the bathroom.
Oh God, what is the bathroom look like? Is that oxygen mask in the bathroom?
I think so. Yeah.
That's
They're
so
hanging down on
nasty.
the ceiling.
All right, I'm gonna get a look at the exit.
Okay, hold on.
What if you close? Oh, it's got a latch like on airplanes.
Oops.
What if you close it and it never opened?
I'm really afraid of snakes when they jump out, just so you know, like for real.
All right. And this is exiting the back of the plane. So there's the going to the front. This is exiting. There's like all kind of stuff in here. It's weird. I believe this is the emergency exit, but whatever. Here's the plane with the engines removed. Well, if it'd focus. Over there, well, you can't really see it. The wing got bent from where it crashed, and you can kind of see it. Anyways, that's the plane that crashed. All right, cool. See you.